So you might be trying to go ahead and actually move messages to primary on Instagram. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. It can be done with any device, be it an Android or iPhone. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's jump right in. Open up Instagram app, and first of all we should change account type to business. So at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on profile icon. Then at the top right corner of the screen, tap on three lines. From appearance menu, proceed to settings. Then select account. Scroll down. In very bottom you will see switch to professional account. Tap on it. Then just tap on continue, continue, continue and continue. We should select any categories that you want. For example, health and beauty. Then tap on done. Then pick a creator or business. It doesn't matter. Just select one of these. For example, creator. And then tap on next. So what we do next is just tap on cross sign at the top right corner. Alright, go away DMs. And here you'll be able to see primary and general. So if you want to move any of your conversation to primary, just tap on this hamburger menu, then select any conversation. At the bottom tap on primary. As you can see, move it to primary. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.